some of our sites would like to broaden the way that we do some of our PM scheduling long term. So having a software that has an open API that you can integrate for, in our case, SAP, allows us to then, within a work order, what we can do is we can do inventory charges of our spare parts right out of our work order, which is extremely convenient for our maintenance technicians, who, by the way, do not have SAP license to go in that system and do that transaction. So the open API allows us to then convert that charge into SAP, which would then trigger a minimum, assuming it was appropriate, triggered a minimum quantity on hand, but then would trigger that SAP system to generate a requisition on the purchasing side of our business.